Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, guys. My name is Nur Mamuda and my friends Mia Nur Asia. Today we are gonna explain about Islamic education reform. Please pay attention. The long journey of Islamic education has colored the hustle and bustle of the Islamic education model in various regions, especially in Indonesia itself. Islamic education has also taken the momentum of turmoil and renewal in the various other Islamic areas. This effect has a significant impact to be called a change, but in the ideological and practical realms. Of course, the turmoil has colored the reform process and determined the goal of reforming Islamic education in Indonesia. On the other hand, the consequences sometimes lead to resistance, which illustrate how dynamic the journey of Islamic education in Indonesia. This can be seen from the diversity of Islamic education model that have been ruled for years. Especially again, the seals of Islamic education institution have flourished several centuries ago. The effort made in the renewal of Islamic education in Indonesia is to catch up in the field of education so that the goal of better education is achieved, so that education in Indonesia changes. Karim, 2006. The renewal of Islam in Indonesia occurs due to the existence of Islamic thought in the field of education, which are motivated by the renewal of Islamic thought that has arisen in the Islamic world. Haidar Putra Daulay and Nurgasa Pasa, 2016.
Hello guys, my name is Mia Nur Aisyah. I will continue the discussion about Islamic reform. Islamic law reform from one side can be understood to emerge as a result of the importance of change. But on the other hand, it has created pros and cons among Muslims, both individually and organizations. One of the factors that caused the extension of Islamic education institutional in the Indonesia is the attitude of inclusiveness. Variety sides of Islamic education in Indonesia in affecting constructive and reforming systems input so that Islamic education in Indonesia is able to blend and combine and even become an inspiration for the development of education in Indonesia in general. Source of Islamic education support and radiate values and knowledge that will be transformed in Islamic education. Harun Nasution argues that renewal of modernization means thought school movements and effort to change understanding, custom, all institutions and also want to be adapted to the new atmosphere caused by change and circumstance, especially by advance in the science and modern technology. Islamic education in Indonesia still face various problems in various aspects. Efforts to repair it have not been carried out on the basic basis, so that is the same interface. So far, efforts to reform the Islamic education system are fundamentally constrained by various problems ranging from funding problems to expense. Although Islamic education today seems volatile in liturgy, first because is the reaction in become increasingly unclear from that point of view. The future of Islamic education in Indonesia shaped by both internal and external factors. Internally, the world of Islamic education and basically still facing the main problem of the low quality of human causes managing education. This is related the education program and the development of education staff, which still weak. However, the trend from time to time show that resolve of human resource problem in getting better and better externally. The future of Islamic education in Indonesia influenced by three major issues, namely globalization, democratization, and liberalization.
Globalization does not only affect the market system but also the education system. The penetration of global culture into the lives of Indonesian people will be responded differently by education circles. Democratization is another issue that affects the future of Islamic education in Indonesia. The revival of Islamic education, particularly in Indonesia, is not accident, where there are external factors which must have class from the political, technological, social, and cultural aspect. This is the reason we can see in this story. At present, Islamic education reform is sometimes met with weak resistance from the Muslim community. From a scientific point of view, Muslims still consider the views of classical scholars to be firmly held. Such a hermeneutic interpretation method, Islamic charities of the Orientalists, etc. They will seem to be allergic and even have the term forbidden to use. Education reform effort can only be directed steadily if it based on the basic concept of philosophy and sound educational theory. A healthy educational philosophy can only be developed on the basic, abstract, and clear basic assumption about the human being, his nature of events, his innate potential, his life purpose and mission in the world, both as an individual and a member of society. His relationship with the environment and the universe, and the river is a relationship with the creator. A solid educational theory can only be developed on the basis of a meeting between the application or philosophical approach and the empirical approach. Anwar Jasin. Okay guys, that is all from us. We do apologize for any mistake. Thank you for your attention and thank you for our lecturer, Mr. Zikrillah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.